Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to our podcast. We are super excited to have you here today. In this episode, we are diving into two of the biggest challenges our Earth is facing right now. Number one, climate change, and number second is plastic pollution. And trust me, these are not your usual classroom topics where you just memorize and forget it after exams. These are real world problems that are affecting our Earth, basically in weather, oceans, animals, and even our daily lives as we realize.
Exactly. And if I'm gonna be really honest, if our Earth as a social media account, it would definitely be trending as a hashtag pollutions we need to fix ASAP. We're gonna be discussing about weather conditions, ice glaciers, and the ocean that are filled with plastic and that just refuses to go away.
Today, we are not just going to talk about our problems, we are also going to explore solutions. We will hear from different guests who will explain how engineering, science, and simple human actions can actually help protect our planet. So, whether you are a student, a future engineer, or someone who enjoys love breathing clean air and drinking safe water, this episode is for you.
And don't worry, we're not gonna make it boring for them and for you guys. We're gonna give you some real life example and maybe some jokes that can enlighten your mood. Also, unfortunately, saving the planet does not always have to feel about homework. We're gonna start it by some self-awareness and some actions.
Let's start with climate change. Guest Mubashir, can you explain what climate change?
Sure, climate change basically means the earth is slowly getting warmer over time. This happens mainly because humans release gas by burning fossil fuel like petrol, coal, gas. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere like a blanket that never comes off. And that's why we are seeing weird weather, floods, heat waves and rising sea level all over the world.
So, guest Basit, where does engineering fit into all of this?
One of the biggest part of the solution, engineering designs renewable energy systems like solar panels and wind turbines that don't pollute the air.
Engineers are like the tech support team of the earth. So Taimur, do energy sources really have the potential to replace the fossil fuels?
Yes, and we're getting closer every year. Solar panels are becoming more powerful and wind turbines are getting more efficient. The real game changer is battery storage, which lets us save energy for when the sun isn't shining.
So, one day sunlight might actually be more valuable than Wi-Fi?
It's extremely serious, like global emergency level serious. Millions of tons of plastic enter land and ocean every year, and most of it doesn't disappear easily.
Yeah. Some plastic that takes hundreds of years to break down, which means that they all live generation. And sadly, animals often mistake plastic for food, which damage the entire ecosystem.
Abdullah, what are engineers doing to solve the plastic pollution problem?
First, engineers are working on plastic that break down naturally without harming the environment. They are also improving the recycle system so more plastic can reuse instead of wasted. Some experiment even converts plastic into a construction material or a fuel. Basically, they are trying to turn today's trash into tomorrow's treasure.
Today's discussion shows that engineering is not about machines and buildings. It is about solving real world problems.
From renewable energy to recycling innovations, engineers are basically helping build a cleaner and a greener future for everyone.
Thank you to all our guests for joining us today.
And thank you all for listening. Remember, even a small action can create a big change.
Thank you for listening.